This is the Motorola Moto G62 5G model, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate how you can scan and turn the document into PDF on this device. So in order to do that, you gotta launch the Google Drive application. If you do not have it installed, just get it for free from the Play Store app. Then choose or go for the Files section at the bottom, then tap on this plus sign. Scan, grants the camera access. Then in front of me I have this little sample document that we will scan, let's say. So make sure to put the entire document into the viewfinder. Take a picture like so. After that you can crop the picture if you would like to, align it even. And edit it in some other ways as well. So after you're ready to save the document, just click on the respective icon that states save. Then choose the document title that you would like to use. Select the folder or the path for it to be saved, and finally save the document. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.